I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your membership on the Target app, follow these steps to make it quick and easy. Step 1. Open the Target app. Launch the Target app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your membership details. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your membership. Step 3. Navigate to Memberships. Scroll down and find the Memberships section in your account settings. Select this option to view your active memberships. Step 4. Select the membership to cancel. Choose the membership you want to cancel. You will see the details of the membership, including the cancellation option. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure the process is complete. If you accidentally miss the confirmation screen, you might think the cancellation didn't go through. Double check your email for cancellation confirmation just to be sure. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.